What's up, guys? It's your boy Door Guy, and I'm back here with another banger. So today's video, I am going to a car's meet, I guess you want to call it. I haven't been to one in forever. There's a car behind me, that's why I keep looking back. But once again, let me greet you guys again with another greetings. What's up, guys? It's your boy Door Guy, and I'm back here again with another video. And today's video, now it's nothing too crazy. It's just a car meet I'm going to. I haven't been to it in like a year and a half, and I asked man if he wanted to go. He said yeah. He's actually in front of me, as you guys can see, and I'm actually driving up there to see what it's like, what kind of cars are gonna come up there, and check it out and see what it is. I haven't been to one in a year and a half, like I said earlier, so I hope it turns out pretty good and some cool cars come out there. Last week I saw McLaren Day and stuff, so I hope it's pretty cool. As I'm saying, if you haven't checked out my video with me racing a Type R and any other car, link will be down in the description, and also click right here to check it out. I'll catch you guys when I get there in a minute. Sheesh. Shelby GT 500 supercharger on it. Sweet rod. Carbon fiber lip and everything. That's sweet. Yeah. MR2s and shit. The gray and the red one. I want to see the back. Look at the exhaust inside. Sweet. Let me swing by you real quick. Sweet car. God, it's light too. Carbon fiber inserts. Matt, look at this. Look. You're missing this. Carbon fiber, bro. There's weaves. There's a carbon fiber weave. They use it. Sweet. Carbon fiber weaves and shit. That's pretty clean though. Hell yeah. What kind of motor is in it? Original motor. Yeah. Look at those come right out of there.
Besides the turbo. That's a big fucking motor.
Shit, look at the wastegate.
I think that is.
Sheesh. And it's clean too. Look, Gunnars on the ends and shit. Sweet car. Side exit exhaust on the side. Huge old muffler. What you say?
Intake runners, they go into
here.
Yeah. Look, this is all carbon fiber, the whole back.
Hell yeah, bro. He has aux spool and everything.
Yeah, that thing's busted.
Hell. Fuck yeah. Bro, that shit light too. Fucking decay. What did these shifters cause again? I can't remember the name. Those shifters, the Honda boys be having that shit a lot.
That's just a short time, no idea.
That shit is sweet though.
Like how my shifter came.
Jeez. Focus
like
RS.
These are free series, and they're like 300 some horsepower.
Hell yeah.
And you can pick them up fairly cheap.
What you think about these taillights though?
Yeah, they're sick.
Sheesh. Focus ST. Now I'm gonna get the one that goes around it like that. Yeah, the halo kind of thing. I want one so bad. Look at that thing, bro. Bro, look at the fucking rear end. Look how wide it looks.
That thing is
fuck yeah, bro. I want
like
one
that factory, like just wide, aggressive look. Even the front fenders in the back. It's just,
no, you should look at it from the rear, bro.
Yeah, I know.
This shit is sweet with some tire stickers on it. You don't really got to do shit to this shit, bro. All you do is just do full bow tones, exhaust.
Wouldn't be an issue. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Yeah, the maintenance is expensive. Ooh, carbon fiber rear. Dual exhaust tips and everything. It looks like stock exhaust though, but it's still pretty cool, bro. Hell yeah. Bro, look at the rear. Look at that shit.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah, I want one. Huh? I know. I don't. Not right now though. GTR. R35. Would you take this over this or this over that? The Nissan, the GTR. I've seen some of these run Nissans though, and then things quick.
If I was just gonna go like all around power and like just performance, like with the GTR. If I was going like style and looks.
Oh yeah,
BMW.
Yeah, hell yeah. I'm not a BMW fan, but this is one of my favorite BMWs, bro. The F90s, sheesh.
Yeah.
Carbon fiber, freaking rooftop, like what? And it comes with a inserts for you to insert in the what do you call it?
Factory, not even like the interior dash and like the shit, not carbon fiber.
Nah, it's factory, bro. It's all factory, yeah. I literally watched a video of this like last week, but yeah, it's pretty dope, bro. But this is pretty dope too, man. You're quick.
That's what I'm saying. If I go for performance and stuff like that, and just like all around, I go with that. But if I was going for style and stuff like that, I go with
with all-wheel drive, year-round car. Yeah, they don't have a dipstick. Oh, there's another one right here too. Sweet. I fucks with that one. That's black interior. God. Red or black interior?
Man.
It's tough, right? I like that paint job on it too, you know?
It really depends, like the exterior of the car.
Yeah.
Like the blue and the red, and the white and the red. Yes.
Hell yeah.
The black and the red would go well.
That's gray.
The gray and the red.
Hell yeah, that thing gonna look crazy. Damn, that shit got a Pro Charger on it, bro.
I didn't even see that. Look at the size of the fucking intake. Damn.
Yeah. I thought that was a charge pipe, bro.
It's got trick flow intake.
I thought that was the intake. That was the charge pipe, ain't.
This would be your intake, your air coming into your turbo.
Oh, okay.
And then that'd be your charge pipe.
Yep, right there. Yep. You're right.
That's a big fucking compressor out.
Hell yeah. I like the orange on it though. It's pretty dope.
Remember what that thing makes?
Like power wise?
Yeah.
I mean, side exhaust and shit.
It's gotta be and it's a Cobra, so that's 32 valve.
Yeah.
I bet that thing probably makes 6 or 7 horsepower.
What's the difference between the ZRL1 or what the fuck it's called versus the Z28?
The Z28 is like a track.
Oh. With a big ass wing on it, ain't?
It's got a bigger wing and it's got like these fucking different like rims and stuff.
Yeah.
The rims just look fucking good, dude.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. Yeah. Ooh, super. I didn't see this shit. I think I follow this guy on Instagram. Yeah, I do follow him on Instagram. I think I unfollowed him.
Is it a turbo?
Yeah. No, it's not. NA. Yeah. But still.
Yeah. There's a guy working had one of those. It was NA, and it was like painted. It was like a bright orange, and it looked really good. But it was NA, and it was automatic. Yeah. Now his was manual. Is NA. Yeah. It's not. The thing is, you could easily switch that to a twin turbo.
Yeah, easy.
You get a 2JZ and put it in this.
Yeah. It's still fun. It's still light, fun car, bro.
Oh yeah.
I'm pretty sure if you.
Supra.
Yeah, exactly. You have a fucking Supra.
It doesn't matter how fast it is. It's a fucking Supra.
Look at this carbon though. That's crazy. Did you make carbon like this? God. Sweet ride, man. What year is this? Like a 90?
Could be like a 90.
That's what I was thinking. 90s. Yeah.
2000.
How much power did they make back then? Like 400?
That year we made
450 V10 or V8? V10? Sweet. Were they fast though? Me, V10, 98 car like that? Yeah, they were quick back then, but right now compared to cross country,
probably ran like a high 11, low 12 in the 40s.
Sheesh.
Yeah, they were quick.
Sweet. You want to check out
110 or 420 horsepower.
What? Frank's Porsche is always good looking, man. I wish he had a little GT3 wing on it. That would be sick. Hell yeah, it would have been looking real good. He got some new wheels and shit like that. I know that. Fucking got a nice spotter right there. Big old. Holy crap. What is that?
That's a super truck.
These little things?
I don't know if they might.
Ox fuel or something like that?
Yeah, they got enters manual. It might be cooling. It might be like a cooling in there. Like water to air type cooling.
That's cool though.
That's what I think of.
He took the top off. Don't they have like this glass kind of looking thingy on it?
Glass.
Yeah, he took it out. He's nuts for it.
Got wrapped too.
Oh, yep. PPF. That's good. Hell yeah, I would wrap this shit. Are they manual or automatic?
You can get me either or.
It's auto. I'll probably keep it auto though, but I don't know about Corvette gears. Yeah, he just calibrated. It's like 6 in the back. How many is it?
2-piece. That's probably 4 in the back.
That's 4 in the back.
6 in the front.
Yep, 6 and 4 in the back. Holy crap.
Force exhaust. That's probably like $2 grand right there.
Yep. Probably. What's up, man? That's yours?
No.
Oh. Sweet carbon wing. And beautiful looking EVO. You can go ahead. Beautiful EVO with some red ground lights. 57 RDs on them. Carbon fiber inserts everywhere. Nice little interior. Jeez, it's pretty clean. Black, carbon fiber trunk, carbon fiber wing. God, this thing is carboned out. Beautiful as rears. This is fucking sexy. I don't care if I had an EVO with only 400 horsepower, but it's light. It'll be fun. It's all-wheel drive. I wonder how the all-wheel drive works in these cars, though. You know how the RS is front-wheel drive, and it kicks in the rear or all-wheel drive, depending on how you drive it. I wonder if this is the same, or it's just like a Subi all-wheel drive all the time.
I think it's like super.
It's like Subi all-wheel drive all the time.
They might even have like a center diff where you actually adjust the power.
Yeah. It's dope though. Big old intercooler. That's about how big my intercooler is. You've seen it before, right?
Your intercooler.
Yeah, it's fucking big.
It's real fucking.
Man, God, that's the cleanest EVO I've ever seen.
Yeah. There's not.
Man, this thing is super clean. God, some racing seats and everything in it. Beautiful CCW wheels. Carbon fiber. It's not even tinted. Like, what? Sweet ride, man.